Friends, let's start our 2D practice drawing. Open the workspace. Today we're gonna draft a crankset. As usual, we're gonna check our units by UN space, type decimal, precision 0.0, units millimeter. Okay. Then we're gonna create a new layer by using command LA space. Just click the yellow color to create a new layer. We're gonna give a layer crankset 2.0. Just make it current layer by clicking the green tick. Just close the tab. Now we're gonna draw a drawing by using UCS space. Just move it over here and just take a reference. We will get a green reference point. Just click it. This is our X and this is our Z. Now we're gonna draw a circle of radius 128. C space coordinates X is 0, tab Y is 0 space 128. Now we're gonna draw a radius of 133.69. C space coordinates X is 0, tab Y is 0, tab 133.69 space. Now we're gonna draw a line L space coordinates 0, tab Y is 0 space. Just move direction to of 122 space. Then we're gonna draw a L space, click the point over here to the degree of 33.75 space. Sorry, Control Z. Just move it over here. Then give tab 33.75 degree space. Now we're gonna do mirror. Mi space, click the object over here, space, click from center, we're gonna do mirror space. Now we're gonna give a radius of 5. F space R space 5 space. First point, second point. Okay. Now we're gonna join by using J space. Click the object first, second, third space. We're gonna move M space. Click the object over here space. Just paste it over here. Now we're gonna do array. Now we're gonna do trim the command TR double space. Trim the unwanted lines. Now we're gonna do array AR space, click the object space, polar array. Now we're gonna array the object AR short form space, click the object that we're gonna array space. Now we're gonna give polar coordinates we're gonna give x0 tab y0 space. Just click the item over here, we're gonna give 41 space. Now click the object over here, so click the circle, we're gonna erase E space. Now we're gonna trim the outer line. Okay, TR double space, just click the outer entire object. Okay, we're gonna draw a circle of radius 113. C space coordinates x0 tab C space coordinates x0 tab y0 space to the radius of 113 space. We're gonna draw a line for length x minus 45 and plus 45y. L space minus 45 tab 49 space. Over here escape. Now click the now we're gonna copy the object and we're gonna rotate. So RO space, click the object over here space, click the object, C for copy, we're gonna rotate for minus 60. EX double space, we're gonna extend. Now we're gonna give radius of 9.45. For fillet F space R space 9.45 space. The first object, click the second object, to repeat the command press space, first object, second object space, first object, second object. Just click it over here, we're gonna trim TR double space, trim the object. Now just join J space, click the entire object and we're gonna join to a single, we're gonna make it single object. Now we're gonna array AR space, click the object space, polar 0 tab 0 space, we're gonna OK space. Now we're gonna draw a circle, radius of dia 80, C space 0 tab 0 space dia, D for dia space 80. Now we're gonna draw a circle, the radius of dia 10 to 52. So C space x0 tab, y is plus 52 space, dia is for dia, D for dia space 10. Now we're gonna array AR space, click the object over here space, polar, click the center 0 tab 0 space. In case if you want to increase, we can increase by clicking items. OK. Now the crankshaft have been designed.